I bought this lock pick set off from Amazon. I think it was about 12 bucks that I spent on it. You get several rakes and hooks, and this is the only piece that didn't come with the set. I actually got that in another cheap set. And then here are the other picks. I've seen some bad reviews on this, but I mean, for the money, they work. I mean, this is basically the quality that you're getting. And so, cutaway, well, not really a cutaway, but a clear lock there. I used the tension wrench that came with the set. Place it in the top of the key, and I'm just going to take the rake and just barely a little bit of tension, and see if I can. I mean, it took a little bit more effort than normal, but so there's that one. This is another lock. It's not. I don't think it's a master lock. It's some generic, but sometimes I can pick this pretty quick. Use the flat tension wrench that wasn't part of the set, but it just kind of fits in the top of the key better for me. So put that in there with a little bit of just a little bit of pressure, mainly just enough to hold it in. And this is another kind of a rake type thing. And I've picked this lock before, and as you can see, with just a little effort, it pops open. Here's another lock. This one's been rusted just a little bit, and I think it's pretty similar to the lock that I just picked. Again, all these are locked, but go ahead and do that one, this one as well. Again, just putting my tension wrench and the top of the key, a little bit of pressure, and this one I found that if I use a hook, if I use a little bit of a hook, I found kind of a sweet spot back in the back. I put a little bit of pressure on it, not much at all. Reach back, and if I can find the right pin, it'll hit, and then it pops. Pretty quick and easy on that one. I can move up in security just a bit, and this is a Brinks, and it has a I know a one spool pin at least in it. It's a higher security lock. I think it's like a $10 lock, whatever. But again, I'll put my tension wrench, top of key, a little bit of pressure, and I'm gonna go ahead and start to work my rake in. And you can't really rake this lock, but what I'm trying to do is just make sure that I get a pretty good false set. And then once I get that, I'll start with my hook, and I'm gonna start looking for that spool pin. And right as I push down on those pins, I let off my tension wrench just a bit, kind of looking for some feedback, and that was not it. I thought it was. And here in a second, hopefully, I'll hit that sucker. There, I hit it, and then that pops. But essentially, I just rake that until I got a false set. And then I pushed each pin down, and as soon as I felt the feedback from the tension wrench, just kind of let off a little bit and pushed down, and this lock popped. And that was a Brinks. This is another high security top lock. I think this is a level 8. I just bought that one. That's what this is a level 8 master lock, and it's got this weather piece on it, so I'm going to use one of the wrenches that I got with the set, just because it's a little bit longer. And I'm going to stick that down, basically top of keyway again. Give it a little bit of pressure. And I picked this one earlier whenever I first got it today. And the first time that I did it, I was looking for the faucet, and I actually was able to rake it open. And I've not really been able to do that since. But anyway, I'll see what I can get with my rake. May get lucky. And I'm not getting lucky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my pin here. I'm just gonna start hitting those, or my hook, and start kind of hitting those pins. I just now lost the pin, but anyway, I'm just gonna work these pins, and then I failed it. And so there's that one. It's pretty quick. And then the last lock that I bought today, and I'm just going to probably return these after I pick them a couple times. But this is a master lock, and it was the highest level security that I could find at the store today. And it's level, nope, that was the 8. Here we go. This right here is the 9. And that's what I bought today. And yeah, I'm going to pick it basically the same as I did the last one. Again, I'll use the wrench that came with it. Put it on top of key. Put just a little bit of pressure. Start off with the rake. And I've been picking about a month now, but I kind of do it in my spare time. And this lock, I don't really, I guess they have some type of security pins in it. But after the rake, start with the hook, and I start searching, and it seems like this cord kind of moves around a little bit. I don't really know why. Maybe someone can tell me. But I try to find the pin, and at some point, after working these pins just a little bit, I notice that I'll get something that kind of pops up higher than the rest of the pins, and it blocks my pick from going all the way back. And there we go. And as soon as I find it, I push down on it. And I guess it's just another spool pin, but it unlocks. So anyway, there's a bunch of locks. Again, not real locks, and I picked it with this, basically just 3 picks from the Amazon set. And so anyway, it works. All right, thanks. Bye.